Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a Sunkissed look using the new Primark Glow range. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you're interested then just continue to watch.
Ooh, so dangerous, I get this rush.
So hi everybody, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette, I am a mom of 2 boys and I do 3 videos a week on all sorts. I do lots of hauls and fashion and beauty and lifestyle videos. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, there's a little subscribe button down here in red somewhere. If you wanted to click that and stick around, it's completely free and I would love to have you on my journey. So without further ado, today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look with the new Primark Glow range. So the main things that I'm trying out today is the Glow foundation and also the Ultra Glow powders, and I really hope you are interested to see how I got on. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I've just had a shower and now I've quickly moisturised using a simple light moisturiser as always, and then I'm going to get straight in testing out some new Primark makeup. The first thing I want to test is this. It is the Glow foundation. So I have tried Primark foundation before. I actually tried, see if you can see it, the matte foundation, which was okay. It was just too matte for me. So I was really excited when I saw this Glow one. It's an SPF 30, which is always a bonus, and it was £6 though, so quite expensive. I bought it in shade Cool Sand because that was the shade I bought the Primark foundation in, which, if I remember rightly, was an okay colour. I'm going to try this one today and see how I get on. I'm kind of hoping it's going to be more dewy, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try it with a Primark beauty blender. Now I don't really use beauty blenders because I don't know, I don't get them. I'm not like a makeup artist or anything, so I'm going to give them a go because I bought this in my promo haul. I think it was £1 instead of £3. I've heard really good things about it. It's really soft, so I've wet it and now I'm going to try this one. So you open it up and it's like a pipette. So I don't know how this is going to work. I've never used a pipette foundation before. It might actually be a bit light for me at the moment because I fake tanned yesterday, so my face is actually quite dark, or darker than normal, but that's okay because I have bronzing powders as well. It's not the best coverage in the world, but it does say medium coverage, but it's buildable, medium buildable coverage with radiant natural finish. So I'm happy for it to be not great coverage and then just build it, because I think that's really good then, because I don't wear heavy foundation, so if in a day I could wear this and then say I was going out, I could put a couple more layers on. I think I would prefer to do that than have a really heavy foundation. Now I have to say, it looks quite light on the camera. It isn't that light in real life. It's actually blending quite nicely. It's more matte than I thought. I thought it was going to be a bit dewier, but it doesn't look caked on, if that makes sense. So I quite like that. But what I am going to do is, for concealer, because I didn't buy any, I am actually going to use the matte foundation because I think that might be good to just do like concealer under my eyes. So I'm going to give it a go. The matte foundation, I'm pretty sure it was only like £2.50, so bargain. I did do another Primark makeup video, so if and I used that foundation on that video if you're interested to see how it looks like as a full face. But that is working pretty well as like an under eye concealer. See, this is where I don't get beauty blenders, like for under your eyes. Like how do you get it in the corners and stuff? Like I just get a bit confused by it all. Maybe if I did like a makeup artist course, then they would tell me. Regards to the beauty blender, apart from I'm finding it a bit awkward, it is nice and soft. It's quite easy to use for a novice. Pretty light on the camera. I have actually shut my curtains because it's so bright today. I've actually shut the net curtains. it doesn't look as light in real life, but I am going to put a little bit of a base bronzer on before I use what I have bought, because I think the things that I've bought are very glowy and I just need something matte just to darken all over a little bit. So I'm just going to use my Pound Shop Good to Glow bronzer. I'm just going to put this all over. Okay, so what I've bought that I'm really excited to try are these Ultra Glow powders. So if you saw my Primark haul last week, you will see that I bought these powders. So they were £3 each, which is a bit pricey. I always say that, but I mean, it's not really, is it? But okay, so this one is called Spotlight, and this is like a deep bronze. Now I wish that I'd have got something a little darker, but I didn't, so we're gonna work with that. And then the other one is called Brunch Club, and it is this really nice sparkly light gold, and my plan is to use these as like a bit of a contour and highlight. So I'm going to go in with the darker one first, which is the Spotlight, and I'm just going to use this Spectrum brush. I love these brushes. I'll see if I can find a link and leave them below. They're not the cheapest, but I love these brushes, if you ever wonder what brushes I use. So I'm going to use some of this Spotlight, and I'm going to use it on my contouring. And that is that. I actually really like it. It is so glowy and it's really subtle. It's not like too dark. I mean, I do like a dark contour, but like for like a sun-kissed natural look, I really like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the lighter one, which is a Spotlight, and again I'm going to start with this brush. No, actually no, I'm going to use my smaller brush, and I'm going to do just bits on my cheeks, nose, and see how I get on. There's not a lot of fallout. Like, I almost feel like it doesn't feel like the brush is picking it up, but wow, but the brush is clearly picking it up. Okay. Wow. Look at the highlight on that. I don't know if the camera is picking up just how highlightery that is, but wow. That is nice. Love that. For £3, the glow on those. So my hair is drying. Look how fast my hair is drying. Do my eyebrows now, because I'm going for like a sun-kissed beachy natural look. I'm just going to quickly put on some eyebrows. I have tried the eyebrow pencil from Primark, and I'm just not a fan. So I'm going to go to the trusty Poundland eyebrow kit that I've been using, which is this little eyebrow kit here, and I have been using this for a couple of weeks now since I did my Poundland makeup review, and I do really like it. So I just use the medium brown down here and an angle brush just to do some eyebrows. That is it. I've just put like a really nice natural brow on, but I am going to try a little bit of eyeshadow on for a sun-kissed look. I've used this palette before. It's the Amber Passion palette. It's from Primark. It's £3. Some lovely colours in there. It's got some nice burnt oranges. However, burnt oranges just don't look right on my eyes. I actually did a burnt orange eye the other day, and my husband, I came downstairs and Matt was like, I don't know whether I like your eye makeup, which is like really weird. Like, he never says anything negative. He's always like, oh, your makeup looks really nice. So I knew from that moment that burnt orange was not for me. So I am going to stick with what I know, which are like the bronzes and the golds. So I'm going to use this darker brown here this goldy colour here and then this lighter colour up here to blend it. So I'm just going to use this smaller brush because I find it easier to do. I'm going to use the dark brown first. Use a little bit of a gold colour and then I'm going to use that next to this brown. Like that. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of the lighter colour to do the inside and also blend it out up to the brow bone a little. It's just a really nice, subtle, kind of glowy eye, which I think is perfect for daytime. I don't really wear eyeshadow, so that is perfect. That is just enough for me. Next, I'm just going to go in with mascara. I haven't picked up a Primark mascara because I've bought so many mascaras, and yet I still just use my Max Factor Masterpiece Max in black. So I'm just going to give my eyelashes a curl. These are actually from Primark as well, these rose gold eyelash curlers. I think they were like £1. I'm going to put my lashes on because I put my lashes on almost every day. And I'm just going to put my Eyelaw Accents in number 3. I will leave the link for them below, but I just wear these pretty much every day. So I have been trying to get in touch with Eyelaw to see if they'd send me out some other ones to try, but they don't love me as much as I love them, clearly. And that is the lashes on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly try the Primark lipstick. This lipstick, and I bought it in shade Barely There, which a lot of people have tried. I've tried it before this video. I'll let you tell me what you think, but I think it's a bit too Barely There, if that makes sense. You will see. So this is the lipstick. I'm just going to pop it on. I do like it. What do you guys think? It's very nude. I think maybe this look would look better with just like a little bit of like clear gloss or just really moistured lips, but that is my opinion because I'm always weird about lipsticks. I don't really wear it that often. Okay guys, so there you go. That is my Sunkissed makeup look with the glow range from Primark. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed trying out those products. I do really like this foundation. I really am happy, and those powders, bang on. I love them. So thank you ever so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.
Until then, we're like a hurricane.
Simple. I'm gonna need more. I don't know where that has just dripped. I swear I just saw that drip. Didn't you? Oh! Oops. Let me see if I can put it there. Oh, no. I don't know if you can even see them. Okay, that's just not going to work.